Hi everyone and welcome back to our Fineshare YouTube channel. Have you ever thought of using voice changing tools in order to have fun with your subscribers on live streaming platforms such as Twitch or YouTube? Or you wish to prank your friends using female voice instead of your real one? Well, today in this review we're gonna share with you really helpful ways how to sound like a girl using female voice changing tools with Fineshare applications. Well, let's get started. To start changing your voice instantly, all that you need to do is go to official Fineshare website via the link in the description. Then in a pop-up window, find and click on Creators menu. Here we need to find and choose Find Voice option. Now we hit to the web interface of the service. On the welcome page there are presented a plethora of different options such as Quick, Advanced, and Multiple Voiceover. Then we have AI Voice Changer tool, AI Voice Cloning feature, Text-to-Speech option, AI voice design, and many others. You can also pay attention to the left sidebar with other menus located there where you can find, for example, your saved projects, voice library, and the separate menus for the features that we have already mentioned. Well, the interface is just so simple as that, and that's so easy to use any without tech knowledge at all. And now let us show you how to change your actual real voice into the female one using Fineshare services. In AI voice changer option, you will be asked either to record your real-time voice or to select the already prepared file which contains your real voice. Hi everyone and welcome back to our Fineshare YouTube channel. And today we would like to present you several cool features that will actually help you to change your real voice to female one. Next, you will need to choose the female voice option. Once the file is uploaded, then click on Change Voice Now button to complete the voice changing process. Please wait for a few seconds till the converting to female voice will be completed successfully, and now you can download the prepared file, listen to it, or delete the result if you would like to record your voice again.
Hi everyone and welcome back to our Fineshare YouTube channel. And today we would like to present you several cool features that will actually help you to change your real voice to female one.
Text-to-speech feature will be extremely useful for content creators
who wish to prank their audience or boost the efficiency of their video production in general. Simply type or insert text that you wish to be voiced using advanced settings as intensity, pitch, and speed, and then click on Generate button. And now you can enjoy the completed result of your voiced text. In a voice cloning menu, it's possible to clone the voice using professional voice changer option or instant voice changer. The difference between the two offered models is the duration of the file with the voice model that should be uploaded and the detailed voice preferences that are available for the first method. In case if you are an artist or a musician, you can also try out our service for creating covers using voice library with more than thousands of voices from prominent artists and celebrities. With Singify, it's so easy to create your own cover using the real-time voice recording feature. If you wish to create a female voice cover, simply choose Singify among the services and find the female artist in the search bar or among the list of voices. Afterwards, you can paste the link to the YouTube video or either choose the prepared file to upload it or record your voice instantly. Then, please wait for a while till your cover with female voicing will be available right on the page. And here we go, just so simple as that.
Hello the world, hello the world. This is Fineshare YouTube.
However, if you wish to use real-time voice changer feature while streaming online or gaming sessions with your friends, we highly recommend you to install and use Voice Trans utility that will fit your needs. With Voice Trans, you can effortlessly convert your voice into various realistic characters and celebrity voices, retaining accents, intonations, and even emotions. You can change your voice from male to female or female to male with ease. For more information about Fineshare services, please head to our official links in the description and enjoy using the wide range of features only available at Fineshare. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, like this review, and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching and see you soon.